This is Loujy Serour, and I'm going to talk about evolution. Things that we're going to discuss. First, important definitions. Number 2, introduction. 3, evidence of evolution. 4, evolution theories. 5, natural selection. We're going to start with important definitions. Evolution is the process in which inherited characteristics within a population change over generations such that new species sometimes arise. What is species? Species is a group of organisms that are closely related and can mate to produce a fertile offspring. Introduction. Scientists observe that species change over time. The inherited characteristics in population change over time, and scientists also think that as populations change, new species form. New species descend from older species, like ancestors. Evidence that organisms have changed over time is buried within the Earth's crust. This means fossils. Evidence of evolution. There are 5 evidence. The first one, the remains of imprints of once living organisms found in layers of rock called fossils. Fossil record, a historical sequence of life indicated by fossils found in layers of the Earth's crust. The fossil record organizes fossils by their estimated ages and physical similarities. Scientists think that all living things descended from common ancestors. Evidence of common ancestors can be found in fossils and in living organisms. Scientists draw models to examine the relationships between extinct and living organisms. Theories of evolution. Darwin combined ideas about breeding, population, and Earth's history to come up with a theory to explain his observations. There were 2 theories, the natural selection and selective breeding. Natural selection, organisms that are more adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and pass on the genes that aided their success. So, the natural selection causes species to change and diverge over time. Selective breeding is the human practice of breeding animals or plants that have certain desired traits. It also helped Darwin realize that traits of organisms can change with time and that traits can spread through populations. Natural selection. What is natural selection? By detail. The process by which individuals that are better adapted to their environment survive and reproduce more successfully than less well adapted individuals do. It's also a theory to explain the mechanism of evolution. Darwin explained that evolution occurs through natural selection, and there are 4 parts: overproduction, inherited variation, struggle to survive, and successful reproduction. Overproduction is each species produces more offspring than will survive to reproduce. Inherited variation is individuals within a population have slightly different traits. Number 3, struggle to survive. Individuals within a population compete with each other for limited resources. Number 4, successful reproduction. It's individuals that are better equipped to live in an environment are more likely to survive to reproduce. Thank you.